Transform your dark garden corners with 7 tough plants that thrive in shade and drought. Tired of staring at bare patches of dead dirt under your trees? That stubborn corner by your fence where nothing seems to grow? You're not alone. Most gardeners think shade and dry soil spell failure, but I'm Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice, and today I'm revealing 7 incredible perennials that don't just survive these harsh conditions, they absolutely flourish. These plants are workhorses that will transform your challenging garden spots into thriving displays of color and texture. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which plants to choose for your specific shady areas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our gardening tips. Understanding shade and dry soil challenges. When you have trees towering overhead or buildings blocking the sun's rays, you create what gardeners call dry shade. This is one of the trickiest conditions to work with in any landscape. The challenge isn't just the lack of light, it's the combination of darkness and moisture-depleted soil. Tree roots absorb most of the available water, leaving almost nothing for other plants. Tall structures block rainfall, and the ground rarely receives enough direct sunlight to warm up and support typical garden plants. Many people assume these areas must remain empty, barren monuments to poor growing conditions. They couldn't be more wrong. The secret lies in choosing the right plants, those with toughness built into their genetics. Even areas that receive just 4 hours of sunlight daily can become spectacular garden features with the proper selections. These 7 perennials I'm about to share have proven themselves time and again in the most demanding garden situations. Perennial number 1, lungwort. Let me start with a personal favorite, lungwort, sometimes called pulmonaria. This remarkable plant seems almost magical in its ability to thrive exactly where other plants fail. Lungwort displays foliage that ranges from solid green to heavily spotted patterns, giving you options for different aesthetic preferences. The spotted varieties add visual interest even when the plant isn't flowering. The leaf textures are robust and healthy-looking, providing year-round appeal to your garden space. Come springtime, lungwort puts on an absolute show. The flowers emerge in a stunning spectrum of colors: brilliant blues, soft pinks, pure whites, and rich purples all appear on the same plant. This color display is one of spring's great pleasures, especially in shaded locations where other bloomers struggle. One practical benefit that many gardeners overlook is how effectively lungwort suppresses weeds. The dense growth habit creates a protective mat of foliage that crowds out weeds naturally. This means less weeding work for you, something every gardener appreciates. Here's something interesting about lungwort's behavior. During particularly dry spells, some varieties may appear to slow down or go dormant. Don't panic, the plant is simply conserving energy. When spring rains return, the lungwort bounces back to life as if nothing happened. If you're finding this helpful, please share this video with friends who struggle with shady gardens. Perennial number 2, large-rooted geranium. Next up is a plant with a fascinating appearance, the large-rooted geranium, often admired for its distinctive foliage. The deeply cut leaves resemble delicate snowflakes or lace, making this plant a visual standout even before it flowers. The foliage on large-rooted geraniums has a slightly fuzzy texture that deer and rabbits typically avoid. This natural resistance means your plants stay beautiful without requiring protective measures. The fuzzy coating also helps the leaves retain moisture, supporting the plant's drought tolerance even further. As autumn approaches, something magical happens. The same green leaves that graced your garden throughout spring and summer transform into brilliant reddish-orange tones. This seasonal color change extends your garden's visual interest well into fall, giving you months of aesthetic value from a single planting. When you let large-rooted geraniums spread gradually without interference, they develop into impressive ground covers. The spreading growth pattern is gentle and manageable, not invasive like some aggressive spreaders. Within a couple of seasons, you'll have dense coverage that completely suppresses weeds and transforms problem areas into planted, finished-looking spaces. Love learning about shade plants? Subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for weekly growing tips. Perennial number 3, foam flower. Here's a North American native that deserves recognition, foam flower. The name becomes obvious when you see it bloom in spring. Foam flower reproduces through runners that spread across the soil surface, creating dense mats of foliage remarkably quickly. This spreading habit makes it perfect for covering ground and filling in bare spaces where you need foliage fast. The speed of coverage often surprises first-time growers. When spring arrives, foam flower produces delicate, frothy spires of blossoms that rise above the leaf layer. The flowers come in soft pink or pure white, adding vertical interest and elegance to shaded corners. These frothy flower clusters give the plant its common name and make it instantly recognizable during blooming season. Many foam flower cultivars go beyond standard green foliage. Running tapestry features deeply lobed leaves with striking purple markings that create dramatic contrast. Susanna displays a purple splash in the center of each individual leaf, resembling a paintbrush stroke. These foliage variations mean you can create interesting visual combinations by planting different cultivars together. The layering effect in a foam flower planting, with decorative foliage visible year-round and delicate flowers in spring, makes this plant exceptionally valuable for shaded garden design. Perennial number 4, lily turf. When you're planning garden edges and borders, consider lily turf. This plant brings qualities that few other shade-tolerant options offer. The strap-like leaves grow upright and maintain their dark green color regardless of season. Unlike many perennials that fade or disappear during winter, lily turf stays vibrant year-round. This constant color presence means your garden doesn't look abandoned during colder months. Late summer brings another treat. Spikes of purple flowers rise above the leaf layer, creating striking vertical punctuation marks throughout your planted areas. These flower spikes emerge just when summer fatigue makes gardeners crave fresh visual interest. Lily turf demonstrates remarkable tolerance for multiple challenging conditions: heat, humidity, and drought, conditions that defeat many other plants, barely faze this tough grower. You could practically forget to water it, and lily turf would thrive anyway. This drought tolerance, combined with shade adaptation, makes it almost foolproof. As an edging plant along sidewalks and pathways, lily turf performs beautifully. The compact growth and neat appearance make it ideal for defining garden areas and creating polished-looking transitions between planted areas and hardscaping. Don't forget to like and comment below. Tell us which shade problem you're trying to solve in your garden. Perennial number 5, Japanese skimia. Japanese skimia represents the shrub category of shade-loving plants. If you want something with more substance and structure than ground-hugging perennials, skimia delivers. This easy-to-grow shrub thrives in shaded border areas, adding architectural interest and substance to your garden design. The gracefully arching stems create a soft, elegant appearance while maintaining sturdy, healthy growth. Many people see Japanese skimia and immediately feel calmer. There's something about its gentle form that appeals to most gardeners. Also known as Japanese rose in some regions, skimia is a classic plant beloved by experienced gardeners for its reliable performance. The delicate, small yellow blossoms appear in spring, creating a subtle but charming display. These modest flowers carry a wonderful fragrance that fills nearby areas with pleasant scent. Here's an important maintenance detail. Skimia flowers on wood that grew during the previous year. This means you should prune skimia immediately after the spring blooming period ends. Pruning at this timing ensures the plant has the entire growing season to develop next year's flowering wood. Miss this timing and you'll sacrifice the following year's blooms. The overall effect of a mature skimia in a shaded border is one of refined elegance, a plant that looks intentional and cared for while requiring minimal actual effort. Perennial number 6, Hosta. No discussion of shade gardening would be complete without addressing hostas. These plants dominate the shade gardening world for excellent reasons. Hostas demand minimal care compared to most garden plants. They arrive, settle in, and flourish without requiring special attention, fertilizing, or frequent watering. Once established, they become almost invisible maintenance-wise, leaving you to simply enjoy the results. The variety available in hosta cultivars seems almost infinite. Foliage sizes range from tiny to enormous. Leaf shapes vary from narrow and strap-like to broad and deeply ribbed. Colors encompass solid greens, vibrant yellows, cream and white variegation, and blue-toned foliage. You could create an entire garden using only different hosta varieties. Mixing and matching different hosta cultivars is genuinely fun and easy. The diverse options mean you can layer different sizes and colors to create sophisticated designs. Small hosta varieties serve beautifully as border plants around garden perimeters. Miniature hostas cover ground around tree bases and fill in foundation plantings. The architectural quality of hosta foliage provides visual interest even in gardens where flowering plants are scarce. When summer-blooming perennials fade, hostas keep looking fresh and impressive, their handsome foliage standing proud in mid-garden. Make sure you're subscribed to Senior's Gardening Advice so you get our full plant guides delivered straight to you.
Perennial number 7, Bleeding Heart. If you want to create a rustic cottage garden feeling in shaded spaces, Bleeding Heart should be on your list. Bleeding Heart earned its common name through its distinctive heart-shaped blossoms that hang delicately from arching stems. When spring arrives and temperatures warm, these charming flowers appear, creating an almost whimsical garden scene. The flowers come in pink or white, adding soft color to shaded corners. Here's the quirky part that surprises new growers. After the spring show ends, Bleeding Heart often disappears entirely. The foliage yellows and fades away, leaving bare soil behind. This isn't disease or failure, it's normal behavior. The plant is simply going dormant during hot summer months. Think of it as the plant taking a well-deserved vacation during the season's most uncomfortable weather. Fear not during this dormant period. The roots remain alive underground, storing energy. When spring returns the following year, Bleeding Heart emerges again, ready for another season of beautiful blooms. This dormancy is actually advantageous in garden design. It creates seasonal variation and allows you to plant spring bulbs in the same space without competition. Strategic planting works well with Bleeding Heart. Combine it with other flowering perennials that peak during summer and fall, ensuring your garden maintains visual interest throughout the entire growing season. As Bleeding Heart fades in early summer, other bloomers take center stage.
Your shade garden transformation starts now. Those 7 perennials represent your ticket to transforming impossible growing conditions into thriving, beautiful garden spaces. Each one brings its own character while sharing the essential traits of shade tolerance and drought resilience. Remember that successful shade gardening isn't about fighting nature, it's about working with it. These plants evolve to thrive in challenging conditions. Your job is simply selecting them, planting them correctly, and then stepping back to watch them flourish. Dry shade no longer means dead space. With lungwort, large-rooted geraniums, foam flowers, lily turf, Japanese skimia, hostas, and Bleeding Heart, you have everything needed for stunning results. If this video helped you solve your shade garden challenges, please share it with fellow gardeners. Drop a comment below telling us which perennial you're most excited to plant. Subscribe to Senior's Gardening Advice and ring that notification bell so you never miss our gardening videos. We upload new content regularly because we believe every gardener, whether experienced or just starting out, deserves access to quality growing information. Thanks for watching and happy planting!